Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to delete your story on TikTok Easy Guide. So for us to be able to begin, just open the TikTok app onto your device. So once you're already in, you'll just need to go ahead and click onto the profile icon here onto the bottom part to get redirected here onto your profile. So once you're already onto your profile, you should be able to see your profile picture in there with a circle outside it. So that is an indicator that you have posted a story onto your account. Simply click onto that to view your story, and to delete that one, there is a share button here onto the bottom part. So click onto that icon, and there you should be able to see different settings. Simply click onto delete to remove that, and there is an option for you to delete and re-edit this or simply delete it. So click on delete again, and that story should be deleted on your account. And that is how easy you could delete your story on TikTok. If you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.